way to Maymont Park in Richmond, Virginia. Have you ever been to Maymont Park?
Okay.
Me either. We live in Virginia Beach, which isn't that far away, so you'd think we'd already have checked this out. But they say it's a really cool place. There's a historical house to go tour. There are different gardens there. They have, I believe, like a zoo or a petting area or something with animals. And they are only open on a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And today's Sunday. Are you excited, honey?
Oh yeah.
You're excited, can't you tell? He's an excited man. Okay, we'll show you what it's like when we get there. We have finally made it to Richmond, Virginia. Now we got to find Maymont Park. And of course it's raining. Bummer.
Yeah.
Well, we have made it to the Maymont Nature Center and Visitor Center. And they said that we could walk over to the mansion because evidently there is not any parking at the mansion. And that is something I wanted to do, was check out the mansion. So we just went back and got our raincoat and umbrella. And evidently you go straight through the nature center to get to the mansion. So that's what we're doing. We are now heading over there. They've got a nice paved trail here to get over to the mansion. Can you see the mansion from here?
No.
No. Just pretty park. This is the butler's pantry in Maymont Estate. We just finished the tour of Maymont Mansion and it was really interesting. They gave you each your own little I guess it's like a recorder, but you sort of point it at different things and then it'll tell you stuff about whatever room you are in, and it was quite interesting. And they had it the upper floors, and then they also, you went down to the bottom floors where you could hear about the servants and what it was like for them. So that was neat that you could see the different cultures or the different classes, I guess. And it was quite interesting. What do you think, Steve?
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Would you recommend people coming out to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was $8 a person, so that wasn't bad.
No.
No, so now we're running over to, well, we're not running, but we're going over to the Japanese and Italian gardens. We have gotten to the Italian garden. This is pretty cool. Steve's over here taking a picture. Let's see what we can see. Oh, very pretty. Lots of different flowers. See roses here. I don't know all the flowers, but this is really pretty. Oh, there's a deer out in the...
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you can see that, but there's deer out in the woods over there.
I don't know.
And here's some water rushing down. Not a lot, but this is quite pretty. Wonder if they ever host weddings up here. Got a little waterfall, I guess, here.
Yeah.
And here's the entrance to the Japanese garden. And that deer was so close, I can't believe it. if you follow the path around, you will get to where Steve wanted to go. And that is right here with the waterfall. Isn't that beautiful? This is a really cool place. If you're not able to go to the Maymont Mansion, you might want to just check out the grounds. And it's free to go to the grounds. So, too bad it's not a sunnier, nicer day, but at least we're not dying of heat. Here is the koi pond. You can see them right down there. They are big. I don't think I've ever seen one yellow like that one. This is a neat place. Right here is a Japanese garden, or a Japanese maple tree that is 100 years old. And it was part of the gift to us from the Dooley family. We have hit the area that's supposed to have the animals. And this is in celebration of the Maymont bears. I haven't seen a bear over here though. Looks like maybe this is the area they're supposed to be in. But I do not see them. You'll have to let me know if you seem to see them. There is a ball out there for them to play with though.
Yeah.
Found some red-tailed hawks. We did not see any bears or
Eagles.
Bald eagles, but here's some red-tailed hawks.
Yeah, he looks like his wing is messed up or something.
Yeah, they probably have animals who have been hurt.
Yeah, that's what it said over at the bear thing.
Oh, okay. That's a pretty one. This is a red-shouldered hawk. See them better over here. Hello. This is the black vulture. And I appreciate the vulture because they clean up lots of nastiness and help keep this earth clean. And that way we don't have to do it. The sight of decaying meat repels many animals, but not a black vulture. Special bacteria in their digestive system allow them to eat carrion or dead animal carcasses. As decomposers, their feeding benefits everyone by preventing the spread of disease and cleaning the landscape. Thank you, black vulture.
All right.
Ah, that was a good wink. You got a scratch? Got an itch you need to scratch? Ooh. Ooh. Come on, wink at me again so the people know that you winked at me.
Hey.
Hey. You cleaning yourself? He says, quit doing that.
There you are.
Hey.
Big eyes.
The great horned owl. I thought y'all slept at night. I mean during the day. Hey, this is a barred owl.
Y'all are pretty cool looking.
They look tired. They're like, it's nighttime. Why are you waking me? This part of the park is the Tallheimer Virginia Wildlife Exhibit, dedicated November 2nd of 1958 in honor of William D. Tallheimer Sr. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
They're big and they got big antlers.
See his face?
Hey! Hey! That's a big animal.
Yeah.
Here's the cow and the bull. And we got some horsies over here. They are chowing down. And Steve went over there to check out the deer. They're called sika deer. I've never heard of sika deer. And they have these chairs set up in the middle of one of the fields. I'm not sure why, unless maybe they're having a wedding there or had a wedding and just haven't taken the chairs down yet. But it's very pretty scenery out here if you wanted to get married. Over here are some benches. And behind Steve is bison. So, yep, that's a big animal. Who'd have thunk that this was in Richmond, Virginia? I never would have thought it. And this is it.
The dude decided to give it all to Richmond as a park.
I know. Who was that again?
I forget his name.
Maymont. No,
No,
Maymont
that's what they
was
call it.
what they call it.
'Cause her maiden name was May,
Yeah.
and Mont is French for mountain.
That's right.
What
And
was his name?
oh,
James Dooley.
that's right. James and
Sadly.
Sally Dooley. And after they died, they decided to give, it's 100 acres
Yeah.
and the mansion to the city of Richmond so that it could be a park forever. And it is a beautiful park. And then some of these animal exhibits, I think, might have been like given by other people. But it's on Maymont.
Was the,
Tallheimer.
yeah.
Look at that bison. Hello. Hello. Think they're happy?
He's got food and company. He's happy.
We are back to the car and we just finished up Maymont.
Yeah.
And that was pretty
That was
cool.
Yeah. That was
I guess we've been
Neat
here,
place.
how long have we been here? Almost 3 hours?
Yeah.
2.5 hours? The Maymont Mansion probably takes about an hour and 15 minutes if you go through the whole thing and listen to all the different stations. That was really neat. I really enjoyed that. Seeing how they lived and how they were taken care of and how the people who were taking care of them lived. And then we walked the Italian gardens and the Japanese gardens and the
nature, not nature center, but the wildlife refuge.
area, yep, with all the animals. And then we came back up here. If you got here early enough, you could do the nature center also, and that I believe was another $8 per person. And the they just asked for donations for the
So that was
Animal
all separate
area.
than the other thing?
yes, that was separate. And but beautiful grounds, got lots of walking in. My Fitbit said I did all my steps for today, so that's good. And it's just a gorgeous area right here in Richmond, Virginia. So if you're ever out in Richmond, Virginia and you want to do something that's out in nature and
Away from the city.
away from the hustle and bustle, then I recommend coming on out here. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Yep. So no matter what you do though, make sure you get out, have some fun, and keep smiling. Bye.